Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. Today I will show you how to remove multiple accounts on your Instagram. So first open your Instagram app, then go to your profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then go to the three lines at the top right corner. So tap on that three lines and go to settings and privacy right here. Now you want to go to this account center. Now here on account center, you just need to tap on accounts, and you can see here you can add or remove accounts from this account center. So all you're gonna do here, for example, you need to add account, and then right over here you can add Facebook account. So for example, I will add my Facebook account right here. So tap on continue, and then you can enable connected experience your account to your account center. So tap continue right here and completely add this account on this account center. So once you've done, you can now have these accounts on this account center. Now if you want to remove one of those, so for example, I want to remove this specific account right here. So you just tap on remove account. So tap on continue at the blue button and remove this account on account center. And finally, this account has been removed. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.